Using a Santander car loan is a straightforward process that can help you finance your dream vehicle. To get started, you need to check your eligibility for the loan. You can do this by visiting the Santander website or visiting a local branch. The bank will consider factors such as your income, credit score, and employment history to determine how much you can borrow and at what interest rate. Once you have been approved for the loan, you can begin searching for your new car. It is essential to set a budget and stick to it, considering not only the loan repayments but also other expenses such as fuel, insurance, and maintenance. You can use the Santander car loan calculator to get an estimate of your monthly repayments and adjust your budget accordingly. When you find the car you want, you will need to provide Santander with the vehicle details, including the make, model, and price. The bank will then pay the dealer directly, and you can collect your new car. It is crucial to read and understand the terms and conditions of the loan before signing the agreement, including the interest rate, repayment term, and any fees or charges. To repay your Santander car loan, you can set up a direct debit to make monthly payments. You can also make additional payments or pay off the loan early. But be aware that you may be charged an early repayment fee. It is vital to keep track of your repayments and ensure you never miss a payment, as this can negatively affect your credit score. Throughout the loan term, Santander will provide you with regular statements and updates on your account. You can also log in to your online account or use the mobile app to check your balance, view your payment history, and make payments. If you are experiencing financial difficulties, it is essential to contact Santander as soon as possible to discuss your options and avoid any potential penalties. In conclusion, using a Santander car loan is a simple and convenient way to finance your new vehicle. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts and best practices, you can enjoy your new car while managing your finances effectively. Remember to always read the terms and conditions carefully, keep track of your repayments, and contact Santander if you have any questions or concerns.